Hello my dear students, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start one new topic and the topic name is conjunction. So what do you understand by the conjunction word? So we can define conjunction word. A conjunction is a word that is used for joining words, phrases or sentences. Alright? We shall understand what are those conjunctions that we use to join the sentences, to join the phrases or to join the words. So at first we shall understand here the types of conjunction and then one by one we shall understand. Okay, so let's move ahead. So there are two types of conjunction. The first one is what? Coordinate conjunction. What is coordinate conjunction? Example of coordinate conjunction is what? And. There are other also coordinate conjunctions. For example, and, but, either or, neither nor, not only but also. These are the examples of coordinate conjunction. Now, what is the second type of conjunction? That is subordinate conjunction. It is what? Subordinate conjunction. In subordinate conjunction, we have so many conjunctions. For example, which, who, if, why, when, etc. One by one, we shall discuss it in details in next videos. Now let's move ahead to watch the few examples of coordinate conjunction. Okay, just wait. Let me rub it. Yes. So look at here. I have written few examples. The first example I have written here. I teach Ram. This is the first sentence. Now look at here the second sentence. What I have written. I teach Mohan. So, instead of writing two sentences, what we can write? Can we make or can we write one single sentence in place of these two sentences? So, of course, we can join the two sentences here. We can join the two sentences, sentence 1 and sentence 2 with the help of the conjunction. Because you know already in the definition I told you with the help of conjunction, because it is the work of the conjunction to join. We can use the conjunction to join two sentences. So the same thing we are going to do here. Look at here. So instead of writing this first sentence and second sentence, what we can write here? I teach Ram and Mohan. Okay. What is common here in both the sentences? Teach, the action is common. The verb is common here in the first sentence as well as here in the first sentence and here in the second sentence. So we shall just combine these two sentences and we can make a new sentence, and we can combine with the help of what? Conjunctions. So this is what? The example of this conjunction. And you know what is the conjunction here? And what type of conjunction it is? It is coordinate conjunction. Got it? Now come to the another sentence. He came to me, he gave me a little. Okay? You can see here two sentences. We have to combine and we have to make one new sentence after combining these two sentences. And how we can combine? We know very well by using what? Conjunction. Alright. So here let's move ahead. He came to me and gave me a letter. So here also I have joined the two sentences with the help of coordinate conjunction, and in this way you can see here how I have used here the coordinate conjunction. Now, let's move ahead towards another sentence. He is rich. Okay? He is miser. Remember one point here. Here, in the first example, I have used coordinate conjunction and. You must understand, and means what is the meaning of and? It means what? In addition to, or. Alright? For example, when I ask you, okay, what subject do you read? What subject do you study? So what do you say? I study maths and computer, and you use that time and conjunction, okay, to join in addition to. ऑलराइट, दो चीज़ों को जोड़ने के लिए आप किसका यूज़ करते हैं? एंड का, और एंड क्या है हमारा? एक कोऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन है. ओके, नाउ सी हियर द लास्ट एग्जांपल. ही इज रिच, ही इज miser. So here you will get what? The opposite thing. What? Like if he is rich, then he must be what? Very much, he should not be miser because he has enough money. But what is written? He is miser. Miser means क्या? कंजूस. यानी वो क्या है? अमीर तो है, लेकिन क्या है वो? कंजूस है. So you are getting what? The in spite of. So just opposite relation you are getting here. So we can use here another coordinate conjunction. So again we have to combine these two sentences and we have to write only one sentence. So what we can write here? He is rich. He is rich but miser. यानी वह अमीर तो है, लेकिन क्या है वो? बहुत कंजूस है. कंजूस है. He is rich but miser. But what we can take another example? He is poor but honest. Okay? So in this way you can understand. These were few examples of coordinate conjunctions. In next class we shall see some more examples of coordinate conjunction, and after that we shall move to another type of conjunction, that is what? Subordinate conjunction. Okay, so this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.